What is the recommended age range for implementing the baby sleep miracle techniques, and are they suitable for newborns? Introduction. Introduce the concept of baby sleep miracle techniques and their growing popularity among parents. Highlight the importance of addressing sleep issues in newborns and the impact it has on their overall well-being. Understanding baby sleep miracle techniques. Explain what the baby sleep miracle techniques are and how they differ from traditional sleep training methods. Emphasize the gentle and holistic approach of these techniques, focusing on nurturing a healthy sleep routine for babies. Benefits of baby sleep miracle techniques. Discuss the advantages of implementing the baby sleep miracle techniques for both babies and parents. Highlight how these techniques promote better sleep, reduce night awakenings, improve daytime naps, and establish a consistent sleep schedule. Factors to consider before implementing the techniques. Provide an overview of the factors that parents should consider before embarking on implementing the baby sleep miracle techniques. Discuss the importance of understanding their baby's individual needs, health conditions, and any potential underlying causes for sleep disturbances. The recommended age range for implementing the techniques. Explain the general age range at which baby sleep miracle techniques can be effectively implemented. Discuss that while these techniques are suitable for infants of various ages, it is generally recommended to start implementing them around 3 to 4 months of age, when babies begin to develop more predictable sleep patterns. Adjusting techniques for newborns. Address the specific concerns of implementing the techniques for newborns. Discuss the importance of adapting the techniques to suit the unique needs and characteristics of newborn babies. Such as shorter sleep cycles, frequent feedings, and the need for comfort and closeness. Importance of a consistent sleep routine. Highlight the significance of establishing a consistent sleep routine for babies of all ages. Explain how a regular bedtime routine signals to the baby that it's time to sleep, promoting a sense of security and relaxation. Creating a sleep-friendly environment for babies. Provide tips on creating a conducive sleep environment for newborns. Discuss the importance of a calm and soothing sleep environment, including factors such as room temperature, lighting, white noise, and appropriate bedding. Techniques for soothing newborns to sleep. Introduce gentle techniques for soothing newborns to sleep. Discuss techniques such as swaddling, gentle rocking or swinging, using pacifiers, and incorporating a bedtime routine. involving soothing activities like reading or singing. The role of parents in implementing the techniques. Highlight the active role of parents in implementing the baby sleep miracle techniques. Emphasize the importance of parental consistency, patience, and attentiveness in responding to the baby's cues and needs during the sleep training process. Safety considerations for newborns. Address safety considerations that parents should keep in mind when implementing the techniques for newborns. Discuss topics such as safe sleep practices, avoiding sleep positioners or loose bedding, and ensuring a safe sleep environment free from hazards. Common challenges and troubleshooting tips. Acknowledge that despite implementing the baby sleep miracle techniques, parents may encounter challenges along the way. Provide practical tips and strategies for troubleshooting common issues, such as night awakenings, difficulty self-soothing, or transitioning to a crib. Success stories and testimonials. Share success stories and testimonials from parents who have implemented the baby sleep miracle techniques with their newborns. Highlight the positive outcomes they have experienced, such as improved sleep quality for both the baby and the parents, and the overall positive impact on their family dynamics. Conclusion. Summarize the key points discussed in the article, emphasizing the recommended age range for implementing the baby sleep miracle techniques and their suitability for newborns. Reiterate the importance of understanding and meeting the individual needs of newborns when applying these techniques. Facts. 1. Can I start implementing the baby sleep miracle techniques right after bringing my newborn home? It is generally recommended to focus on establishing a bond with your newborn and meeting their immediate needs during the first few weeks. However, you can gradually introduce gentle sleep routines as your baby becomes more settled and begins to develop regular sleep patterns. 2. Are the baby sleep miracle techniques safe for newborns? Yes, the baby sleep miracle techniques are safe for newborns when implemented with care and consideration for their unique needs. It's important to follow safe sleep practices and prioritize your baby's well-being throughout the process. 3. What if my newborn doesn't respond to the techniques? Every baby is different, and it's not uncommon for some babies to take longer to adjust to new sleep routines. Be patient and consistent in your approach, and seek guidance from pediatricians or sleep consultants if needed. 4. Should I expect immediate results when implementing the techniques? While some babies may respond quickly to the techniques, it's important to remember that establishing healthy sleep habits is a gradual process. Consistency and perseverance are key, and you can expect gradual improvements over time. 5. Where can I find additional resources or support for implementing the baby sleep miracle techniques? In conclusion, the baby sleep miracle techniques can be beneficial for newborns and are generally recommended to be implemented around 3 to 4 months of age.